What's poppin', people? I'm Robert and this is the Crypto Corner. But before we get started, allow me to remind you to smash that notification bell, hit the like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Now on with the video. What's poppin', people? This is the Crypto Corner with Rob. I want to come back at you with another article, just share a little bit of information with you guys and keep you abreast of what's going on in the world of cryptocurrency. So with that being said, the sponsor of this video is the like button. So if you are allergic to cats, you don't like ice cream because you're lactose intolerant, click the like button. Click the like button, help us get into the YouTube algorithm, and we will get this thing going. So this particular video is Blockchain Capital secures $300 million in funding from PayPal and Visa. That's because these big guys are really getting into the DeFi space, the crypto space and DeFi space in particular. And these ventures are raising a lot of money. I'm telling you, cryptocurrency is here to stay and it is taking over. In fact, I was looking at some graphs earlier and I saw that the adoption of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology is even faster than the internet. Okay, it's even faster than cell phones. You know, some of us are old enough to remember that, you know, it was a slow, gradual adoption, but it was steady, it was strong with, you know, cell phones and things like that. Until it got to the point to where people really didn't have home phones. They really didn't have home phones that much. So right now, more people have cell phones than they do home phones because they keep them phones on their person. But that's what's going on in the cryptocurrency space right now. Adoption is going wild. So with that being said, let's get into the article a little bit. It says PayPal and Visa are among several major investors who have participated in a $300 million funding for Blockchain Capital. In a release issued on Tuesday, Blockchain Capital announced that the close of its Blockchain Capital VLP. According to the release, Fund V or Fund 5, capped at $300 million, was oversubscribed with numerous investors, including college endowments, family offices, and pension funds participating in the capital raise. As part of the announcement, Blockchain Capital stated that PayPal, Visa, and some other Fund V investors will take part in the firm's strategic partnership program. Blockchain Capital is one of the oldest blockchain-focused funds in the industry and currently backs major projects, including crypto exchanges like Kraken and Coinbase, as well as decentralized finance protocols like UMA, Nexus, and Aave. The firm also has footprints in the non-fungible token space with NFT marketplace OpenSea as part of its portfolio. And so, guys, if you've been keeping up with this particular area, the NFT space, you know it is about to explode. It's down, but guess what? All cryptos are down right now. But when it rebounds, and I am predicting now by the end of the year, the last quarter of 2021, it is going to definitely rebound, and a lot of these companies are going to absolutely moonshot. This is not investment advice. I am not your financial advisor because no one's going to care about your money more than you do. That being said, we're going to continue with the article, which also says, as previously reported by Cointelegraph, Blockchain Capital, together with Morgan Stanley Tactical Value, led a $48 million Series B funding round for asset tokenization platform Securitize. Back in May, the firm also led a $24.25 million capital raise for DeFi protocol Balancer. This is huge, guys. These guys are all in. So if these guys are doing this and the regular retail investor is panicking, that means they know something, or at least they have a vision that the average retail investor does not have. So which mindset should you adopt? Blockchain Capital is a major presence in the blockchain venture capital scene that has seen $16 million in equity investments between 2012 and 2020. Commenting on the success of Fund V and the pedigree of investors involved in the capital raise, the press release quoted Blockchain Capital, a co-founder and managing partner, Bart Stevens, as saying, quote, "We are incredibly honored to welcome a world-class group of investors into Fund V." I don't know if it's Fund V or Fund 5. I don't know. who appreciated the value of a firm dedicated to a single industry. As founders ourselves, we know how hard it is to build companies, protocols, and indeed a whole new industry. And that's what we have here, brothers. We have a completely different asset class, and these guys are really jumping on board, really getting behind this whole thing here. Let me just finish up the article right here where it says, for Jose Fernandez de Pont, PayPal's vice president, the company's support of blockchain capital is part of its effort to engage with entrepreneurs at the cutting edge of the emerging decentralized economy. So there you have it, guys. This right here. So PayPal and Visa are putting their money where their mouth is. They're going in with blockchain capital. It attracted some of these people is because they're doing something right, obviously. And they've been producing funds or raising funds since 2012. And people are getting behind it. People like what they're doing, and they are getting behind this. So question is, should you adopt the exact same mindset? Because you got people out there panicking. They're really upset. I mean, there's a lot of sideways trading, a lot of red, and not very many coins out there that are actually in the green right now. But why is it that so many people, I mean, the experienced investors, why is it that they're not panicking? And in fact, they're doing quite the opposite. They are loading up. They are accumulating. They're buying more. And the regular retail investor is investing according to FUD. A lot of fear out there, a lot of panic out there, and people are going crazy. People are sweating bullets right now. Well, again, not investment advice, but I would say do not put into the market what you cannot stand to lose. Don't do it. Just don't do it. If you have to pay your rent next month, don't use that money. If you have to feed your family next month, don't use that money. But again, these people are using money that is specifically allocated for investing. You and I have to do the same thing. You and I have to take on the exact same mindset. So with that, go ahead and do your own due diligence. And this is not investment advice. Like I said before, no one's going to care about your money more than you do. And this has been your crypto commentary. See you guys on the next one.